The CA DMV DL-44 is California's application form for a new driver license, renewal, or upgrade, including Real ID and commercial driver licenses. It captures your personal information, residence address, and driving history, so the DMV can process your application. The form is completed either online through the DMV's DL-44 portal before your appointment, or on paper at a DMV field office. The personal information section asks for your first and last name, date of birth, height, weight, hair color, and eye color. These go on the physical license card, so make sure they match your legal identity documents. Enter your California home address, where you currently reside. The DMV uses this address for your license and mailing. If your mailing address is different from your home address, you can provide a separate mailing address. Indicate the class of license you are applying for and any endorsements you need, such as motorcycle or commercial. If you want a Real ID, bring your Social Security card, proof of California residency, and your identity document to the appointment. After submitting the application, you will take a vision test, a knowledge test if required, and pay the applicable fee. New applicants also take a behind-the-wheel test. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com. This is general information, not official DMV guidance.